Welcome to Ainume. My name is Jatin, and as one of the co-founders of Ainume, I'm super excited to have the opportunity to demonstrate Ainume to you today. Ainume is a natural language processing platform. There are a number of chronic diseases which Ainume is trained to recognize and provide nutraceutical solutions for, whilst using artificial intelligence. This demonstration will focus on heart disease. So, let's begin our conversation with Ainume. As you can see, Ainume is asking me how I'm doing today. At this point, based on how the user is feeling, they can input that, but for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm not doing very well. So let me say that, not very well. Okay, so Ainume's picked that up, that I'm not doing too well today. So it's asked me, am I feeling any symptoms right now? Actually, yes, I am feeling some symptoms, so I'll just say that. Okay, what symptoms am I feeling? Well, my chest has been paining recently, so let me tell Ainume. Okay, so Ainume realized that this chest pain could be a symptom of heart disease, so it's now telling me that our next steps would be to look at other common symptoms of heart disease together and check if I'm experiencing these. Okay, so I have to enter yes to continue. Let me just do that. Right, so Ainume has decided that we're going to go over the list of heart disease symptoms together. So have I been feeling any weakness or fatigue? Not really, no. Okay, Ainume does tell me that it doesn't really matter because fatigue alone wouldn't confirm a heart disease. Asking me about my breathing. Well, I'm kind of struggling to breathe and it's quite irregular, so let me say, my breathing is irregular. Okay, Ainume's picked up that my breathing is irregular and is now telling me that this irregular breathing / shortness of breath that occurs with minimal activity could show heart trouble. I have noticed pain and pressure in my chest, so let me just say yes. Okay, Ainume's said again, what could be the issue here? Has there been any irregularity in your heartbeat? Yes. Okay. So, just some information that Ainume is giving me. A fast pulse rate over 100 per minute shows that there's a possibility of certain heart rhythm disorder, or a slower pulse rate could indicate another disorder. Okay, let's see the question. Am I feeling any unexplained pains or aches that disappear with rest and occur with exercise? Yes, I am. Okay, Ainume is thanking me for all my answers and providing me the conclusion that my answers provide signs of heart disease. So the typical symptoms which I did experience, Ainume is telling me that there's a chance I'm developing or a chance that I already have a heart disease, telling me to enter heart disease menu to view the food menu we can use to treat this condition. Heart disease menu. Okay, so just telling me that I've selected the heart disease menu, and just reiterating the nutraceutical solutions which these menus will contain to prevent / reverse / treat this heart disease. So let's enter menu 1 for the sake of this demonstration. Okay, Ainume is telling me the menu I've chosen and it's provided me with a link that I can open in a new tab which contains an image of this menu card which I can then make and enjoy. So, together, we have just witnessed Ainume identifying that I might be having a heart disease. Similarly, in this way, Ainume is trained to identify other chronic diseases, such as insomnia, and provide nutraceutical solutions and food menus based on this. I will now be taking you over to the Google Assistant integration of Ainume to demonstrate to you how this could perhaps be used in a situation where a user has a smart device and how they can interact with Ainume through their smart device. Now I will show a demonstration with the Google Assistant integration of Ainume. This will be triggered on a Google Assistant device by the user saying, "Talk to Ainume."
Getting the test version of Ainume.
Hello, I am Ainume. I am your guide to nutrition, health and wellness. Can I start off by asking how you are doing today?
So, using the microphone feature which would be available on these such smart devices, I can say, "I'm doing well."
That's fantastic to hear. Are you feeling healthy?
And so after this point, the conversation would continue in the same manner as we saw on the website. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Thank you for watching.